As an entrepreneur, you know by now that there's power behind using social media to reach your audience. But something that a lot of entrepreneurs forget is that while, yes, more followers and subscribers are great, that alone is doing nothing to actually grow your business. So, how exactly do you take these followers and subscribers and start to create a profitable social media strategy? That's exactly what I'm diving into today. What's up, everyone? This is Jess Santisi here from Team Funnel Gorgeous, and I'm excited to share exactly how you can drive more sales to your business through the power of social media. If that sounds like just what you need, go ahead and hit that like button. All right, so the first thing that you have to understand with your social media strategy is you need to take your traffic, you need to get them to your offer or product or service, and then you need to turn those people into clients or customers. Those three things are what make a profitable social media plan. And without those three things, you'll continue to put out content that is doing nothing to grow your business. And nobody wants that. So number two, how do you get traffic in the first place? So you need to understand what type of content is relevant to your audience. What problem do they need solved? What do they relate to? Don't try to guess at this, because even if you think you know what they need, that is often different from what they think that they need. Instead, just let them tell you. It's that simple. One of the easiest ways to do this is just go look in your comments. What are people asking you over and over again? When you're done with the comments, go check your email, your DMs, customer service, any place where people are asking you questions. If one person took the time to reach out and ask, then chances are there are lots of other people who are thinking the same thing. Number three, don't only focus on your follower or subscriber count. You need to understand the metrics that matter on each platform. Let's use Instagram as an example. So for so long, 10,000 followers was the goal because that's when you got to swipe up. But now that we have the link sticker, you don't really need that anymore. So if you have 10,000 followers, but they're not engaging with your account, then they're not likely to click your offers and they're not likely to become customers. So that 10K becomes nothing but a vanity number. So what should you track? Engagement rate is a great place to start because your engagement rate will let you know if your content is connecting with your audience. To determine your engagement rate, you're going to divide the total number of likes and comments by your follower count and then multiply by 100 to get a percentage. Now, if the idea of that makes your head hurt, don't worry, there's tools out there that can help you do this. Number four, tell people what to do next. Give them a direct call to action. It may seem silly, but people need to be told what step they should take next. Your call to action could be telling them to click a link in your bio to grab your lead magnet, leave a comment, send you a DM. Whatever your call to action is, you need to make it clear to your audience so they know what to do next. And you also need to keep it something simple that your audience can do in the moment, something that doesn't require a lot of brain power. Think of it like this. Which is easier to answer? What do you want for dinner? Or do you want pizza or do you want tacos? Be specific. Stop asking them to tell you all of their business struggles and woes in just one comment. Nobody has time for that. Number five, multiply your content across platforms. You've done all the work to make it, so now make the most of it. Take your main piece of content, whether that be a YouTube video or podcast episode, and then break that big piece of content into multiple smaller pieces of content to share across other platforms. So let's say you're starting with a YouTube video. You can take that one YouTube video and you can break it up into a couple of Instagram reels, TikTok videos, a text post on Facebook, and even idea pins on Pinterest. So that one YouTube video can get you weeks worth of content. The key takeaway here for a profitable social media strategy is keep it simple. Remember, use social media to drive traffic, get that traffic to your offer, and then turn those leads into customers. It's not about focusing on the follower or subscriber number. It's about focusing on the content that's most relevant to those followers to get them to your offer. Now, if you'd like another way other than social media to drive traffic to your offer, I highly suggest you build an email list. And if you haven't started your list yet, or you just need a complete breakdown on how to build an email list, I've got the perfect video lined up on your screen right now. Julie breaks down the exact steps that Funnel Gorgeous used to grow our email list to over 50,000 subscribers. You don't want to miss it.